I will definitely say that my first assignment was a game changer in my career. I had the opportunity to start something from scratch, and this was a success. So at the end of the day, after being successful in the implementation of this sustainable procurement model, I had the opportunity to have a bigger role in the organization.
Olam encourages us to take charge of our own careers, yet provides us with opportunities to learn, develop, and grow outside of our primary responsibilities through a variety of experiences. This is such a great way for us to gain visibility to key individuals and skills to prepare us for our next role. I learn something new every day, which keeps me engaged and excited to come to work.
One of the things that's most exciting for me working in human resources here in North America is the diversity of Olam's strategic business footprint. We have business segments in cocoa, coffee, cotton, dairy, grains, spices, edible nuts, and tomatoes. Day in and day out, there is always something happening that is uniquely different across each business platform.
The winning factor at Olam is collaboration. Olam's a hive of activity, and I think that we all have our own experiences and knowledge, and it's through these that we're able to really progress as a team. Recently I've had an experience on a project where I've been working with country heads, people across the globe, and in sharing that knowledge we're able to come together to achieve what those goals and objectives were.
In my previous job, responsibilities were very siloed, whereas at Olam, you really get given the opportunity to see an end-to-end perspective. At Olam, your responsibilities are never taken away from you. You are encouraged to confront all crises with a winning mindset and find the best possible solution for the company. I've come out stronger and more mature from all these experiences. Embracing difficulties and challenges in a positive manner is ensuring that you get the best possible career and learning experience.
The other thing is that we are a huge global company, which means that we're constantly given the opportunity to develop our careers and move and relocate our lives into other countries. So for example, I started working in the communications team based in London, and I recently moved and relocated to Rotterdam, which was a huge experience for me, and it was a great opportunity that my leaders did give me.
Experiencing a variety of different environments and organizational challenges are what I would consider the most critical experiences in my development. I had the privilege to work in different businesses: cocoa, coffee, cotton, and fertilizer.
Ever since I've joined Olam 7 years ago, my role has been evolving and even changing to something that I have not tried before, which excites me because I can always learn new things along the way.
In my current role, I've been involved in a new project and been leading that new project, building my own team and really using analysis to see how we can improve on current operations. We get to work with some really precise technology, and that helps us to look for the 1% improvements. When you make a 1% improvement over this scale, it can be huge.
On-the-job learning is also very important. Supply chain operations in Olam challenge the limits of your knowledge, whether it is the impact of a drought in South Africa on the price of your product, or new technologies in agronomy like pneumatic seeding or the use of drones, or changes in the consumer consumption patterns. This job keeps you awake and alert to all changes that are happening in agribusiness. To me, this continuous learning in supply chain operations let me develop my professional competencies and leadership skills.
It's not key highlights, it's a string of little highlights, because in every day that I go to work or wherever I am for Olam, I'd like to create little highlights. I like to challenge myself, and I know that I stay engaged and inspired when I have the feeling that I can keep on learning.